Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphones SOUNDCORE Space Q45 with using your Android device. Basically you have a few options how to doing it. The first one is to use a control panel, and right here we can check a battery level. The second one is to go to Settings, Connected Devices, and here we can also check a battery level. And the last one, and the worst one for me, is to use an application. So just open it, and right here you can check this icon. No percentages, nothing, just this icon. I don't know why. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!